been waiting to do an apartment tour, but this is the holiday edition because it's Christmas. So first, when you walk in, I have these cranberry wreaths that I got from Lowe's. They were super cheap, good price. Over here, I have the Christmas stocking. I have them in order from oldest to youngest. There's one for each member of the family, except I'll get to that in a minute. So I have my father, Kenny, Stephanie, my mom, Kiana, that's me, Kiara, my sister, and Kendall, and then Matrix. So Kendall is my niece. My brother used to be this stocking. I moved up because my brother had a daughter, and then once he had a daughter, his stocking got taken by her. Over here is my bar. If you know me, if you follow me on Instagram, I love a good drink. So we have a fully stocked bar here. This was super important to me to get. I actually got this from Walmart, and it wasn't very expensive, but it was very extensive to put together. I put everything together myself. So here I have some decorative glasses, wine glasses. We have a little Hennessy, some Crown Apple. This is rum that I got from Grenada. We have Absolute Vodka, Disaronno, 1738. We have some gin back here, and then like a mixer. And then we have this cute little decorative piece because it's Christmas time. I have this shaker. This is like one of my favorite things. I love this. It's bedazzled. Everything in here is bedazzled. This is not the cutest flask. You screw the top off, and it's a flask. Champagne down here. I have more champagne than I have wine. I don't know, but that's what we have going on down here. Over here, I have some poinsettias. They are dying, but I have some poinsettias from Lowe's. I have another of these decorative pieces, and I love candles. This piece right here is also a piece that was one of my favorites. It's actually a heater and a fireplace. So, and it also has some storage here. So I have a PlayStation 3 and some games down there. And then right here, as you can see, this is my ottoman, and this is actually additional storage as well. So the top comes off. And down here I have like extra blankets and stuff. I have a super small apartment, so it was very, very important to me to have storage. And then I have two of these armchairs, and they are super, super cute. If you look closely, there are studs going down the side, and then they're also like a cheetah print, but they're gray. Both of them are gray. That's Matrix jingling. And then I love reindeer. I always have reindeer, so I found this one at Lowe's. Love it. And then I have two of these lamps. So I have a table lamp and then a floor lamp over here. They're identical. They're from Pier 1. And then I have this red chair. This chair has gone through a lot, but has made it to my apartment, and I love it. It's like an accent piece, which goes good with the whole Christmas theme, but this red chair stays here all the time. Here is my Christmas tree. So I was so excited because this is my first year having my own tree, and so I decorated with matching decor. So we have the silver, the red bulbs, and then we also have lights. Look at this. How cute is this? Over here, love these chairs. So these are like a crocodile print, snake print, something like that. And they are studded down the back as well. And I have just 3 of them. And this is called a pub table. So I love this table. I have a small space, so it was important that I have a table that made sense in the space. And then over here, I have 3 place settings with my 3 bar stools, and they each have bows on the back of them. This piece stays up here all year, but I added these cranberries for a little festivity, you know. And then this is my kitchen. So I have a tea kettle over here. I really wanted a tea kettle. I have no idea why, because I also have a Keurig, but I really wanted a tea kettle. This mirror, I love it. It gives me life. And so, as you can see, it's also bedazzled. It's like a mirrored mirror. The outside is also mirrored. So, if you want to be cooking and you look at yourself and be like, how am I looking? There's a mirror right here for you to do just that. And there's not a mirror anywhere else in this main area, so it was nice to have the mirror. Over here, I had this blank space, and so I was like, what do I do with this space? So I bought this bookshelf. This is one of my I've always wanted one of these, a record player. My sister bought me this to put in the room. So shout out to you, Trap House. And then I have a whole host of things. Fun fact, people always ask me this. This is a real camera. However, it is a film camera. I actually know how to develop film. So if I ever were to get a house, I would definitely want a dark room so I could develop film. So I only have one bathroom in here. This little setting right here where it has my lotion, some soap, some Q-tips, cotton balls, and then a candle. Now let's go into my room. So it's super pink, super girly. My sister made fun of me. She said I'm too old to have a pink room. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. You'll notice for the curtains in here and the curtains in the living room, I hung them high. I hung them myself, guys. I hung these curtains. I wanted to give the illusion of a bigger space. This is like a representative of me and Matrix in my red bottoms. So I have this hanging right here next to like my makeup, and the floor length mirror makes sense, you know. This is my headboard. I have been wanting a new headboard for years. So when I moved out of my parents' house, I was so happy to finally get my own headboard with studs and everything. If you've watched me for a while, then in my old room I had a headboard. It was white, and I actually made it myself. It was like a DIY project. So I actually bought this one. Didn't have time for the DIY, so bought this one and I love it. And if you'd like more videos like this, then make sure that you comment down below, give me video suggestions, make sure that you subscribe, that you hit the like button, and Merry Christmas!